Today we're going to be learning about sign language. In the upcoming clips, we're going to learn how to sign the alphabet and the numbers 1 through 10. As we progress through the alphabet in this clip, let's learn the letters M, N, and O. So M, what you want to do is you want to form sort of the letter M. You take your thumb and you stick it through these first 3 fingers to form almost like an M. So M. Can you see my thumb just barely sticking out there? M. N, very similar. Can you guess? Remove 1 finger in there and you want to have the thumb sticking through 2 fingers. So you've got your middle finger and your index finger and the thumb just poking through there at the side. So we go to N. So again, M, then N, and O is an easy one. O. Almost like C, but you're going to make the letter O. O. So M, N, O. Let's start from the beginning then. Try it with me. A, B. We'll get a little bit faster as we go along here each segment. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. In the upcoming clips, P, Q, and R.